funny about it. Tenby took an applicant out yesterday afternoon to look over the place, and it was all locked up.
Probably out at work. Looks as if there's no one home today either. You'll have to use your key, Mr. Restlin.
Mrs. Campbell? Anyone at home? Mrs. Campbell?
Well, I don't seem to like fresh air.
Doesn't look as if they've left for good, does it? Locked.
Mrs. Campbell?
JS doesn't stand for Campbell.
They're not in. No car in the garage. Mrs. Campbell! What do you think's happened, hmm?
I don't know, Mr. Restlin. Probably nothing. But while we're here, we might as well take a look round.
Well, why not? I mean, my right showing people over. They can't have done a flip, can they? I mean, not with those cases still there.
It shouldn't worry you. They paid the rent in advance, didn't they?
That's right. I got the rent. Hey, what about the gaslight and telephone? They've got to have the meters read. If they've lumbered me with the gaslight and telephone...
Something's been burnt.
I suppose somebody's mixed up some chlorophyll with it.
Well, personally, I don't go for this continental cooking.
There's Mr. C by the look of it. Not much food around. Jar of coffee, a couple of tins. Must have lived pretty much day by day.
I have been lumbered. The meters haven't been checked since they came in. You've got to do something about this.
They don't know good at reading meters.
And they've left the furnace out. You feel it's ice cold.
Where is the furnace, sir?
In the garage. Do you know what a month's gaslight and telephone can cost me? You've got to make them pay for this.
I don't know. They're not coming back yet.
You don't let the furnace go out if you're coming back.
That's right, sir. What have we got upstairs?
Bedroom, bath, and spare.
I see.
I should have thought the quicker you got on your radio and reported
We
this...
haven't really got anything to report yet, have we, sir?
Oh, that's the spare. Door locked.
I suppose because somebody locked it. All right, wait a minute.
The drawers are all empty in there. Now tell me they haven't gone. Nothing. They've taken the lot.
Except the 2 suitcases downstairs. Is Mrs. Campbell a brunette?
I don't know. I never saw her. I never saw him, for that matter.
You rented the place to in sight unseen?
Tenby rented it to him. Tenby knows him.
Oh, I see.
What have they been burning? All over the house. What are you doing? What's that?
I'd say it's a hacksaw, wouldn't you?
Yeah, hacksaw with the handle burnt off.
And a knife.
That's a damn stupid thing to try and burn.
I was thinking.
I know what you're thinking. Mr. Restlin, you rent this place furnished?
Tenby turned it over to the man for a month with everything. Linen, silver, anthracite,
All this
everything.
stuff yours?
Yes, yes, of course.
This trunk?
I don't know about that, but if it isn't, I'm going to keep it. And the
Give it to
suitcase
her,
and everything
will
in them.
This is where your chlorophyll's coming from. Here, get me a screwdriver. See if we can open this thing.
Right.
Look, is this all right? I mean, I let you in. I don't want to get into trouble for breaking and entering. Doesn't the law say you have to have a warrant for this sort of thing?
The law expects its officers to have imagination and discretion, Mr. Restlin. If they didn't, you'd be nabbed every time you committed a murdering offence, instead of getting a caution.
What's all that?
Please stand back, sir.